What up, everybody? All right, so in an attempt of trying to make a little breakfast, I accidentally pulled the eggs out of the refrigerator and two came out and they cracked. And some of it came out. I'm not going to cook this. I'm not eating something that cracked. I can't eat cracked eggs. I can't eat cracked eggs. I can't. So I remembered one of my clients hit me up and said, Jay, show me how to make the at-home protein treatments with stuff that I have around the house already. Easy. Oh, first of all, I meant to show y'all my shirt. Y'all recognize this? What this is from? Mighty Sharp Barbershop, Queens, New York. Who's next? That'll be $8. Anyway, that's for my movie heads. All right, so all you need, 2 cracked eggs. All right. Some coconut oil. Some pressed refined coconut oil. You want it to be the kind of coconut oil that isn't already liquid. You want it to be where warming it up liquefies it. A little bit of that and some mayo. All right. So you can just mix it up yourself. I like using my magic bullet. To me, it makes it easier. So make it, it's all in accordance to how much hair you have. So I'm gonna put, let's say my hair was like shoulder length. Put that much mayo in. All right. Let me see. Turn this light down. Y'all getting too much of my skin. All right. I would say about 2 spoonfuls of the coconut oil. About that much is good. And then your 2 eggs. All right. Now, if you really, I'm gonna warn you now. This is going to smell nasty. Your head is gonna smell like a sandwich, but it's cool because it has benefit. All right, now, if you really want to, you can add some of your favorite conditioner to it. Your favorite conditioner will have all kinds of oils, aloes. It'll have coconut oil in it too, oat protein, all kind of extracts, all the good stuff. So I add some of my favorite conditioner in here, and it'll help with the smell a little bit too. All right, now, if you don't already know, let me explain. The egg is good for protein. You only want to do this treatment once every, I would say once every 6 to 8 weeks, maybe 8 weeks. Maybe after you take out an extension service, or you're gonna wear your hair natural. It just helps to strengthen your hair. Your hair is made out of protein. So that's what the eggs are good for. The mayonnaise has a lot of cholesterol in it, and that cholesterol, the oils in that, is also amazing for your hair. And then, of course, you know, coconut oil is good for your hair. And then you put a little bit of your conditioner in it, if you want to. All right. So I'm gonna mix it up, shake it up a little bit, and there you go. There you have it. You got some conditioner. Now, what you can do is, if you don't use all of it, you can store it in the refrigerator and you can save it for that next week if you want to. But if you measure it just right, you'll probably use all of it. Mix it up, put it on your head under a plastic cap for about 20 minutes or longer if you have time, as long as you can stand the smell. I'm gonna tell you now, do this after your first shampoo. You put this in. I'm gonna tell you now, when you go to rinse this out, you're gonna see a bunch of white flakes in your hair, especially if you're natural and the flakes get caught in your hair. You're gonna see a bunch of white flakes. That is not dandruff. That is the egg that is starting to cook on your scalp. The egg, so when you put your plastic cap on, the body heat coming from your scalp is getting caught under that plastic cap, and it creates body heat, and it starts to scramble the eggs on your scalp. That's what you're seeing. So don't get upset, don't freak out. That's what you just saw. But take this mixture, leave it on at least for 20 minutes while you're doing some chores around the house, rinse it out, and then use your sulfate-free shampoo to make sure that you get all of this out, and then go ahead and condition like you normally would. Do this a couple times, I promise your hair will be much stronger. All right, I'm gonna get snapped on for wasting all this stuff.